I don't like I don't prepare for this talk, but I think I need to do this talk. And sharing little information about this green energy, which is green energy. It's in our heart. It's our heart chakra. And green energy also related with two things in your life. It's a money, it's a green energy, and green energy, it's also clean environment. That's why I always, every time I go to those mansions, all those expensive houses and rich people, it's super clean inside the house. Everything on the spot where it's supposed to be. And you know, you always come to the house, they always tell you, you put your bag up here, your shoes is up here, your this up here. And it's everything is like clear environment. So what I want to say, the green energy, the clean environment is going to attract the money. It's going to bring this green energy. It's not just the money, it's also cleaning. So how important to keep the clean your workplace, also your house. Because if you're not clean, if everything is like distracted, it's a chaos up there. Same is in your mind, same in your life, it's a chaos. So everything have to be on the spot where it's supposed to be. And try that, eliminate that people who create and bring the chaos in your life. This is what the rich people told me. I was speaking with this very successful guy, and he told me this. And I'm like, yeah, you're right. And I just pay attention to myself every time. Like, let's say when I was 30, I've never paid attention to how clean it was. I mean, everything was like okay, but not clean. So when I start cleaning, I can see that good environment, good energy, good vibe will start come to you. So keep it clean. Keep it clean, your area, your work area, especially right now, after all this COVID situation. You know, people really pay attention to clean environment. Let's say I go to this expensive restaurant and I go to the toilet, like the restroom. I see the handle is dirty and the bathroom is dirty. Do I want to go back there? No, I will never go back there. And it's expensive restaurant with expensive good food, but it will not come back because it's not clean. I want this clean environment for myself. I'm not like a super like a germ guy. Like what's that? Germaphobe, yeah, germaphobe. It's like what's that movie was? Not the Columbo. What's his name? What's his name was? The detective? Monk, the guy who can like stay against the germ. He touch everything with the glove. I'm not like that, but like I said, get this clean environment in your head. Everything on the shelf. Everything was supposed to be there, and when you need some tools, you grab it right away. It's not like you come in and it's not there. So, okay, this is important. And this is going to bring financial, and trust me, money will come to you. If you clean environment, clean in your head, clean in your mind, clean in your room, and that's the key. Okay, that's what I have to share this information today. So green energy. It's not just those Tesla cars and, and money. It's also clear environment. Okay, guys, so we guys see you next week. Join our Zaryatka class, and if you need massage therapist, we here in Los Angeles. We go to your house, and we are most clean massage therapist ever. Trust me, we have the sheets. You see these sheets? It's not our sheets. It's the specific company. We pay medical professional company who clean the sheets every time. Every time we get the new sheet, we bring it back. They bring us new sheets, new towel. It's fresh, it's clean, no one was laid down on that. Like I'm going to this Chinese place and they just finished massage. The guy was get up and she's like, please come in. And I'm like, holy shit. The guy, she didn't clean the sheet. She just like, she put some paper towel on the top and she said, let me down. I don't want that. We still have a hepatitis B, which can transmit through any cut. Also diseases like AIDS and everything. So cuts. If you get any cut, I highly recommend is not going to massage therapy because, like I said, if someone have a cut, your cut come to the cut, bambalela, you're sick. So don't get this so easy and choose the right place, right environment for your health with the right therapist. You guys have a wonderful day. Stay healthy, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.